students, hope you all are doing good. This is your Islamic unit and I am your teacher Miss Amreen. Today's our chapter is ethics and the topic is honesty. Honesty is very important for a happy and balanced society. If a few people are dishonest, an adverse effect is felt by others around them. This happens because people lose faith in each other and look upon others with distrust and suspicion. Islam accepts its followers to conduct their business and their everyday affairs with fairness and honesty. The Holy Prophet said, "A man who has no honesty has no faith." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, proved by his own example that he was a very honest person. He was a poor orphan. He had started trading with his uncle. In a very short time, his reputation as Al Sadiq, the truthful, and Al Amin, trustworthy, spread in Arabia. Hazrat Khatija heard of his honesty and asked him to take her goods to Syria for trade. He brought back to her a large profit. She was so impressed by his honesty that she proposed marriage to him. Even though many of the Quraysh did not believe in the mission of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, yet they kept their valuable with him for safe custody. Before he migrated to Medina, he instructed Hazrat Ali to return all the valuable to their owners. Abu Sufyan was a bitter enemy of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, before he accepted Islam. Once, when he went to Rome for trade, the ruler questioned him about Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. He answered, "Muhammad is nobly born and is honest and truthful." Hope you all have understood. Now, coming towards the assignment. Today's assignment is write down a few lines on honesty of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Do the given assignment in your exercise book. Make sure your work should be neat and clean. Have a nice day.